Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5090M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor comes with a John Deere 540M quick attach front loader. The loader is self-leveling, also is plumbed for grapple. Tractor has right at 60 hours, so just about a new tractor here. Does have the Power8 transmission as well, which is a power shift transmission. It's a very, very nice tractor, very, very well equipped. Does have the fancy cab on it with the visibility window in the roof. Again, the loader is self-leveling. Has the global style quick attach here for your bucket connection. Heavy duty front bucket on it. Does have the plumbing for grapple. You got the plugs right there for the hydraulics. Mirrors on both sides of the cab. Has a single point connector here for your loader connection. Front fenders are on the tractor. Rear fender extensions. Side work lights on the cab as well. Has the Firestone radial tires, which are practically new. Does have the buttons on the fender to raise, or I'm sorry, to engage your PTO. Also has a button over here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Got the heavy duty 3-point arms on it. 540 and 540E PTO. Tractor just about as close to new as we can find for you. Again, has right at 60 hours on it. Does have the buddy seat here for a passenger. Has the heated air ride seat for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has a reverser here which allows direction changes without clutching. Up top you do have the visibility window there on the roof, and then also your radio and climate controls up top. And again, this is the Power8 transmission. You've got 4 ranges in the tractor, and then an 8-speed power shift within each range. You can shift that power shift with the buttons here on the range lever, the loader control, or the toggle to the side here, so you can shift that power shift about anywhere that you choose to. All your hydraulic PTO 3-point controls all located to the right there. Very, very sharp tractor, as you can see. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.